Hello, investors, and welcome to the 180 Markets Weekly Wrap on the election week. And now, friends, it is behind us. That's right. So it'll all be a rocket ship from here up. No, that's not the case. But things are looking better. There is a lot of money coming into the market. I believe I heard this morning, Sean, Goldman Sachs said that it was their biggest inflow day in about 5 years this morning. So seriously, people are putting money to work.
Yeah, your mate Donald really put a fire behind the market and got it going. Surprisingly, well, I think it was surprisingly, it wasn't great for commodity prices, and the Dow Jones went up 1,500 after he was elected, and I haven't seen a move like that in a long time. Our market was actually down the next morning, but it has recovered a bit. But yeah, commodity prices fell, and will be interesting to see what the Trump effect has going forward. Now, there weren't a lot of raises this week. We kind of feel that a lot of the raises have happened, so that a lot of companies took advantage of the stronger market leading up to the election, and it was a very quiet week in terms of capital raises. Let's take a look at the screen. As I said, a very quiet week for capital raises, not a lot. On our 180 Markets website, we are currently live with Artrya, and as you can probably tell by the name, it's a little biotech with $39 million market cap. They're going out to raise $5 million, and good luck to the boys at Petra there. GCM, Green Critical, serial raiser, another raise. They just did one. Price went up a little bit this week and bang, hit the market straight away. I think they raised money 2 months ago and then not long ago before. I remember, Greg, we got involved in this one about a year ago in one of their many placements, and it was down, down, and down, and lucky we took our losses when we did. CZN, do we say it again? Another serial raiser. They just raised a few months ago. They raised money at half the price that it was trading at, and 300 grand, and they were looking for underwriters for the rights issue. Yeah, there was a very big disproportion in terms of placement and rights issue. You actually met with them a few weeks ago.
That's right.
Can you tell us anything good?
Looking for lithium in Canada on a highly speculative piece of land.
PLC, Premier Lithium, they did, I think it was underwriting of an entitlement offer, not one I followed.
No.
And yeah, we took a close look into Active Port, didn't we?
Yeah.
I mean, the reason why we did like it, we didn't end up bidding, but the chairman was bidding $585,000. He's also the largest shareholder.
That's right, Sean.
We almost bid, but what did you like about this company?
Well, ActivePort was a very, very popular IPO. I believe it was maybe in 2021, and it's a big play on data centers and infrastructure, which are big growth markets there. Obviously, Sean, the share price has not worked out nearly as well as they were hoping, but seeing the chairman put in a big chunk of money at these levels here, certainly interesting.
Let's watch it and see what they do. Let's take a look at the iris. Let's take a look at movers. Let's start with one of our favorites, LTEC, ATC. Just 5 weeks ago, we raised money at 4 cents a share. We led that raise through 180 Markets. Not only was it done at a 50% price lower than where it is today, but investors got a free ATCOC, which is trading at 1.5. So crazy. Amazing performance there. Iggy Tan, you are still my main man. Keep going, Iggy. Yeah, it's amazing what things can do when you get momentum behind it. SIG, not one that I know a lot about, but I'm sure Gregory does.
Yes. Big week for Sigma and a big week for Jack and Mario. You know who you are there. The merger with Chemist Warehouse being completed or getting ACCC approval there, and everything looks very, very good. His stock was up, I believe, Sean, 25% on that news.
Yep. As we said 2 weeks ago, there are a lot of IPOs, and this one has been an amazing one.
Marina.
20 cents they were IPO'd at, hit $1.40, and then all the way back down, and it's up again today. This one has just got the traders fascinated.
Yes.
Yeah, we haven't seen a lot of great IPOs like this, but it's great for the market and great for confidence that it's happening. And there is a few new IPOs on the 180 platform. I'm still not getting involved, but a lot of people are getting their interest back into these new companies. Now, QAL, Greg, you want to talk about this one?
Qualitas, run by Andrew Schwartz. And this is a huge play on the Trump election, which is basically a private credit provider, a play on regulations being eased. And as you can see, shown by the chart there, what happened in the last couple of days since the election.
Amazing. Yeah, that's had a big run up and they got a massive market cap. So yeah, very interesting there. I think I should take a closer look. CXU is up quite a bit today. I'm not sure why. Uranium was pretty quiet overnight. They did release some good results about 3 days ago.
Yes.
For some reason, it's just spiked this morning, and yeah, I'm not really sure why. ERM, I think they received a takeover offer this week, a takeover of their Tennant Creek joint venture partner, and that was at a pretty good valuation. So
That's right.
just in the last 5 days, just this week, take a look at that, trading at 4 cents and hitting 6. And if only I was holding that one, that would have.
Sure, just to pause, that's a big theme we're starting to see. That was M&A of these smaller targets where the share prices have been down for a couple of years running.
Exactly. Let's take a look at QHL, another company that has received a takeover bid, trading at 20 cents at the start of the week down here. And yeah, they just received that offer and up to 39 cents. A lot of volume going through there. And yeah, I mean, why can't it ever happen to me?
I know.
All right,
We get the opposite.
the market is feeling pretty good still. We're going to leave it at that. What are you going to do this weekend, Greg?
Well, Sean, I'm going to go to your barber and try out your hairstyle on myself.
You'll go fully bald then, mate. I would stay away. Don't know if I would do that. Yeah, I think if Greg and I combined our hair, it wouldn't be
Big
good.
problems.
Yeah. All right. Have a great weekend, everyone.